Imagine a meal that unites the land and the sea, a culinary symphony of flavors that brings together the robustness of meat, the tenderness of chicken, and the delicacy of fish. Today, we delve into the heart of such a dish, a historic American recipe that has been warming hearts and filling bellies for generations. Our key players for today's recipe are a juicy cut of beef, a plump chicken breast, and a fresh fillet of fish. Each of these ingredients brings its unique texture and taste to our dish, creating a rich mosaic of flavors. We commence by marinating our meats. A tender beef cut is lovingly massaged with a blend of spices, herbs, and a drizzle of olive oil. The chicken breast, meanwhile, takes a dip in a concoction of citrus, garlic, and a hint of chili for that extra kick. The fish fillet, on the other hand, gets a light dusting of salt and pepper before a quick sauté in butter and lemon. While our meats are marinating, we turn our attention to the vegetable medley. A vibrant mix of bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes are tossed in olive oil, seasoned with salt and pepper, and then roasted until they are beautifully caramelized. With our meats marinated and vegetables roasted, it's time for the magic to happen. The beef is seared to perfection, locking in all its juicy goodness. Next, the chicken breast is grilled, its golden brown exterior hiding a moist and flavorful interior. And finally, the fish fillet is pan-fried, its skin crispy, and its flesh flaky and tender. Each component is then carefully arranged on a platter, the colors of the roasted vegetables complementing the golden hues of the meats. A drizzle of the pan juices over the top adds a final touch of flavor. And voila! Our dish is ready to be served. This recipe, dear friends, is more than just a meal. It's a nod to the past, a reminder of the days when meals were hearty and wholesome. It's a tribute to the American spirit of innovation, a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of those who first thought to combine meat, chicken, and fish in one dish. So the next time you're in the mood for a culinary adventure, why not try this historic American recipe? Experience the unique combination of flavors and let the taste transport you back in time. Enjoy the blend of land and sea, the harmony of meat, chicken, and fish. Revel in the richness of a dish that has withstood the test of time, a testament to the enduring appeal of good food, lovingly prepared. And remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it's all about experimentation and personalization. Feel free to put your own spin on this classic recipe, adding your favorite spices or swapping out vegetables to suit your taste. After all, the best recipes are those that are made with love and enjoyed with gusto. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes, food stories, and culinary adventures. Until then, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying good food.